Hey everyone, I want to go ahead and show you another feature that we have not talked much about in Charts by TRADEway. In fact, they've gone ahead and made quite a bit of good improvements to this specific feature, and so I want to bring this to you today. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the custom page. All right, so yeah, a lot of Charts by TRADEway is very customizable, but this page is specifically designed so that you can customize it however which way you want. So we're going to go over here and just hover above the home button. You can see market and then custom page. We're going to click on my custom page and it's going to bring you right here, right? So you can see I've got a chart set up here. It's a large chart. It's nice. I've got also a watch list on the left here. This is just one of the personal watch lists. I just have it set on, David Mitchell stocks list right now. I can go ahead and if I give it a value there, 1, now I can go ahead and click on A and B, C, and it's going to change it, whatever ticker I have there. So I can assign that number there, and then it'll go ahead and make those changes. Now, yeah, the chart looks a little different because on this page, I haven't made any of the additions as far as EMAs or indicators or anything like that. So if you go ahead and click on the gear icon, I'll show you how to add one. First of all, we're going to leave that as candlestick, of course, but the period, you could choose, a year chart, 6-month chart, whatever floats your boat there. The indicators, I'm going to go ahead and we'll do an exponential moving average. We'll do a 10 period. We'll just add a 10 period. And I like to make those red, and I'm going to add that. So here we go. Here we have a 10 period moving average that has been added to the chart. So that's pretty nice there. Here's a couple other things we can look at too. I can add a widget and I could add another large chart, right? Or let me go ahead and add a quote and news right there real quick. So I'm going to add those guys and you see them down here below. Now I'm going to go ahead and link them the same number 1. And whatever's showing up here on the chart above, I'm also seeing all the quotes and I'm seeing any news that is coming up. And that's going to change anytime I click through them. It's going to update the information across the board there. So you can see HESM, for example. Here we go. Now we've got the news, got the quotes, we've got the chart here as well. These you can also rearrange, right? So if I click rearrange, I can move these guys. Maybe I want to have the chart down below, and now I've got the quote and the news up top. I can save that, and there we go. So now you can customize this however you want. Go ahead, jump in there and play around with it. It might turn into a nice thing that you use in your workflow as a trader. So go ahead and check it out and see if you like it.